we have this alternating series and we want to show that it converges. Alternating series test says this: if we have the alternating series of like negative a plus sub 1 plus a sub 2 minus a sub 3 and so on, or is up the form of a sub 1 minus a sub 2 plus a sub 3. So it is this form or this form is called an alternating series. And we have a theorem on alternating series test, and it says that if we can show that the limit of a sub n as n approaches infinity is equal to 0, and that we could also show that a sub n is greater than or equal to a sub n plus 1, meaning we need to show that a sub 1 is greater than a sub 2, greater than a sub 3, and so on. So if these two conditions are met, then this alternating series converges. And so here we have this series right here. We could also rewrite it like this. And so we have a sub n is the 1 over n plus 8. So again, to show that this series, infinite series, alternating infinite series converges, first we have to show that the limit of a sub n is equal to 0. And so right here we have the limit and this is equal to 1 over n plus 8. And we can see that this is 1 over infinity as n approaches infinity, so this is 0. And then now we need to verify condition number 2, as though a sub n is 1 over n plus 8, and then so a sub n plus 1. Then in the place of n, we would put n plus 1. So this is a sub n plus 1. So in the place of n, just put n plus 1. And so we have 1 dividing by n plus 9. And so no, n plus 8 is less than n plus 9. And so we take the reciprocal of both sides of the inequality, then we get 1 over n plus 8. It will be greater than 1 over n plus 9. And so we have shown that a sub n is greater than or equal to a sub n plus 1. So this is a sub n right here. And this is a sub n plus 1. So we have shown two things. We've shown that the limit of a sub n is equal to 0, and we have shown that a sub n is greater than a sub n plus 1. And so both of these conditions are met, and therefore the alternating series so by alternating series test, the alternating series right here converges.